A US-based startup, Cognition, has launched what it calls the world's first AI software engineer named Devin. Devin can write, debug and deploy code to create functioning applications in multiple programming languages. This AI software engineer can take a single command and turn it into a functioning website or software program, instead of just offering coding suggestions and auto-completing some tasks. Devin can take up a software project and finish the entire project on its own. It is equipped with its own command line, code editor, and browser, which helps it to operate independently. But there has been some fear among software engineers if Devin will take away their jobs. Therefore, in this video we'll address the fear of job displacement, highlighting 5 areas where human expertise remains irreplaceable. 1. Human creativity and innovation. Software engineering is about more than just writing code. It's about being creative and coming up with new ideas. Devin is good at following instructions, but it can't think outside the box like humans can. 2. Problem-solving abilities. Software engineers are great at solving tricky problems because they've had lots of practice. Devin is good, but it can't handle unexpected problems as well as humans can. 3. Domain knowledge and expertise. Software engineers know a lot about the industries they work in and the people who use their software. Devin understands code, but it doesn't have the real-world experience that humans do. 4. Communication and collaboration. Working together and talking to others is important in software engineering. Devin can do tasks, but it can't talk to people or work with them like humans can. 5. Ethical and moral decision-making. Sometimes, software engineers have to make tough decisions that affect people's lives. Devin can't do that because it doesn't understand ethics like humans do. In the end, Devin is a helpful tool, but it can't replace the skills and human touch of software engineers. This smart AI assistant is designed to help software engineers do their work better. But, while Devin is really cool, it can't do everything a human software engineer can. So, keep coding and being awesome. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Devin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Follow me on social media for more cool stuff. Until next time.